Hi everyone, it's me, it's Natalie Turno. I have to do this video to show everyone what I discovered and what I've learned today on one of my tools that is so genius and so amazing. It is available right now, and I'm not sure how long ENJO will be having it here in Canada, but I just wanted to show you that this amazing, I'm going to close this up, bathroom toilet wand is incredible. But not only is it incredible for your toilets, for behind the toilets, around the tub and all that. It's so amazing. It's got really like harder bristles on here. It's like the toilet brush that we have, the small one. But the handle comes off. There's also another one that's available right now for kitchen. But the reason why I wanted to show you this is because I only use an ENJO natural laundry soap, and I put a half a teaspoon in my laundry machine of this soap. So to be able to measure it, this is about 120 loads. It's a 300 ml bottle, but it's 120 loads. And so all I do is I take a little measuring cup, because there's this dispenser on the top here that you can add to the bottle. I know that I've measured this before. 1 pump is a half a teaspoon, 2 pumps is a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, so I'm just going to show you how easy it is to measure out the ENJO laundry soap. How many of you have a soap this incredible that all you need is a half a teaspoon? See that? So in my washing machine right now, I have sweatshirts and blankets and things. So I'm going to use 2 pumps. This is it. This is how simple and easy it is. You open your drawer and you pop that soap in here. That's it. It's natural, it's plant-based, it's a beautiful, gentle smell. A lavender, sort of like a lemony lavender. It's so incredible because your laundry smells great when it comes out. Perfect for sensitive skin, perfect for baby clothes, all that. So I love this because you're saving and protecting the environment, because 1 bottle is 120 loads, which is a recyclable bottle, but you just have to keep that bottle and continue to refill it. If you get the large bottle, it's way better cost effective as well. So for me, it works out to about 20 to 20 cents a load. How amazing is that? So now I wanted to show you too why I brought this little wand here is because I don't use fabric softener. I don't need to with the laundry soap. My laundry, if I put things in the dryer, which is rare, but if I put blankets and towels, my laundry is never staticky. So a lot of people ask me that question and say, well, what about fabric softener? What do you do? I don't need this part here of my basket, because I don't use fabric softener. This was disgusting. I pulled it out because I thought, I'm going to clean this up to see. It was really bad. There was black mold in it. So see that in there? I don't know the last time I used this, but I just know that there's still buildup and residue in here. It's disgusting. So I thought, how am I going to get in there? Well, it's my magic wand. This tool is incredible. If you do not have this, you need this for your bathrooms. You need this for the door, the shower door grate. You know how the grills, like where the lines are? It's amazing for that. But check this out. I can put this in here and clean all of that, because this door doesn't come out. So I can squeeze that in there. It's like flossing your teeth. It's so amazing. And because I can bend this tool, I can use it to the shape I need. So I will go in there and do every single little spot in here. So this is where it says liquid bleach. Same thing. I don't use liquid bleach. I don't need to use any of that. So I am going to clean that out. I don't know oh, this does come out. Yeah, so I will have to pull this out as well. Not sure how to do it. I'll leave that till after. I'll do that again. So now all I need also is some water. I'm going to use my ENJO spray bottle and spray a little bit of water on this fiber so that I can continue to clean in here. So how easy is this? Who has ever looked in this little trap here? Look how far I can go. Look how far I can go. Like, this is amazing. And I love, because all this black stuff, whatever mold that is probably what is causing a lot of smells in people's washing machines. Because I've had people go, oh yeah, my washing machine smells really bad, Natalie. Why? Well, all I know is this amazing tool will clean all of this. And when you're done, spray some water in here. Spray this rinse that out. Get rid of all that stuff. Do a nice hot rinse of your washing machine. Look at that. So add water and you will be able to remove all that stuff that's in there. And because I never use fabric softener, this drawer from now on should never have that buildup of that black mold. And that black mold is pretty scary because it's actually soap. How can soap become moldy? Because you're leaving a food source there. And the ENJO laundry soap does not do that. If I'm looking underneath here, seriously, if I could show you this, you'll see it's actually black underneath. Where the dispenser is, it's black. So then that means it's super important that when you're using ENJO, so you're using your fibers, you're using the water technology, make sure that you also grab your living glove, which is this one here, because this has a side that you can actually pick up and grab. So if I wanted to remove any of this leftover water that's stuck here, so that I don't have growth of bacteria or anything like that, I'm going to use this glove and I'm going to pull and grab all of this and take this away. This way, I won't have a dirty dispenser anymore because that's going into my laundry. So why would I want that? The next thing that I'm going to show you is down here. This black rubber seal, this rubber thing here, same thing. You can use this wand if you need to reach in there. I would recommend that you take this little wand and you go in there and you can feel the inside where that rubber is, and position this away so that you're able to reach really well in here and rub that in there. Scrub and clean that black rubber, because that black rubber could be where you also have a lot of trapped fibers and stuff see this, see that lint? So that's strapped in there. So again, when you're done using your brush, take your glove. You can use the strong side. It's amazing for using it on harder surfaces like this. So I'm just going to wash this out. I can do my door as well. I can do the glass part here. And I'm going to rinse all of this off, wash all of this off, so that my load will not have a buildup residue of whatever was in there from before. So the Duo Living Glove is amazing to use for your washing machine. The wand is incredible, both for the bathroom and for this cleaning thing. Don't forget, please call me and ask me about this laundry soap. It's amazing, it's awesome, it uses so little, and your laundry will smell amazing. And you will be doing something good for the environment. It's sustainable and plant-based. And the spray bottle, by the way, it also sprays upside down, as you can see. So what I love about this bottle is not only can you spray up, you can also spray down. So there we go. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy your Saturday, and I will see you a little bit later for the draw.